As you can see, I've already begun drawing the front view of the link. I'm going to continue by drawing a circle, and I'm going to snap from the center of this circle at a relative 1.71 and an angle of 180 degrees. And that circle is going to have a diameter of 0.38 units. Now I'm going to draw a line from the center of that circle in the 180 degree direction at some convenient length. I'm going to move that line in this direction by 0.48 units. I'm going to draw a circle from the center of this circle, and it's going to have a radius of 1.54. I'm going to draw a ray from the center of this circle to an intersection here. And now I'm going to draw a circle from an intersection here, and we'll give it a radius of 0.5 units. Now I can draw a line. Actually, I'm not going to draw a line. What I'm going to do is erase some of this extraneous geometry before I draw anything else. So now I'm going to type UCS, which stands for User Coordinate System. I'll press the Enter key, and I'm going to rotate that UCS about the Z-axis. So I type Z and press the Enter key, and I'm going to hold the Shift key down and right click and click on Nearest, and we'll just pick a point somewhere on this line, and we'll click on this endpoint. And as you can see, the cursor rotated so that the x-axis is now parallel to the 2 points that I defined. Let's draw a line exactly from a quadrant. Let's draw another line exactly from a quadrant. I'm going to delete that line because I don't think I drew it correctly. Let's redraw that line exactly from a quadrant. And now I'm going to use the fillet tool. I'll type R for radius and press the Enter key. Type 0, press the Enter key, and I'll click on both of these lines. I'll repeat that command and click on both of these lines. Let's use the Trim tool and make each of these diagonal lines cutting edges and trim that. I'm going to copy this circle in this direction by 1.24. I'll click on the circle and then right click on it and select Properties. I'm going to change the diameter of that circle from 0.38 to 0.25 and press the Enter key. Now I'm going to copy that circle in this direction by 0.45 units. Let's erase that line and draw a line so that it is 10 tangent to this circle and tangent to this circle. I could have drawn the line using a different specification. I'll demonstrate that now. I'm going to draw a line from a quadrant to another quadrant. Let's make cutting edges out of both of these lines and trim the unneeded parts of those two circles. I'm going to change my active layer to the hidden line layer, and I'm going to draw a construction line. But I'm going to snap from the center of this circle at a negative 0.44, 0. Press the Enter key. And I'll draw a hidden line in that direction. I'm going to trim by using both of these lines as cutting edges and trim this part of the line. I am going to change the line type scale here. So at an empty command line, I'll type LT scale, press the Enter key, and I'm going to type 0.25 and press the Enter key. The line type scale, or the repeating pattern of that line, seems a little too much, so I'm going to type LT scale again, press the Enter key, and change that value to 0.5 and press the Enter key. Visually, I like that a lot better.